Hello friends, welcome back. Now with regards to the lookup functions, we have another important function which is the match function. Now basically a match function is Excel is used to find the position of the value in row or column. It does not return the value itself but rather the position or index of the value within the range. Now match basically can be used inside other functions which we will see as we proceed. So right now let's understand how the match actually works. Okay, so let's head on to the Excel sheet. Now here, like suppose I write some fruit names, let's say fruits, and we'll call it as, let's say, apple, mango, banana, orange, and kiwi, etc. Now just for example, if you want to know the index or the position of mango, you can just write here is equal to match. Then it will say what do you want to look up. So you want to look up the value for mango, so we can keep that here in E1. Then like similarly as we use for lookup functions, we have to look at the entire array here, okay, and put a comma, and here you have to tell whether you want an exact match or less than or greater than. Now right now we will go for exact match here, which is a 0, and we'll see the other options later. So when I click on the so right now it's saying NA because we have not entered any data here. So we can enter mango here. So it will return 3 basically because mango is in third location starting from the first row. Now here it does not understand that maybe this is our header or the heading. So it doesn't work like that. It basically looks for the value of mango and searches from the top across. Okay, so this is the simplest way of doing it. So if I now go and change it to kiwi, then it will return 6 because it is in the 6th position, or the index is 6 starting from 1. So always remember here the index starts from 1. Okay, even in the case of ℎ-lookup and 𝑦-VLOOKUP, we know that the column index starts with 1 and not a 0. It could be confusing because normally an array in a programming language starts with an index 0. So just keep that in mind, and please try to do this, and we'll take the match function in another scenario as we proceed. So let's do the next thing in the next video. So please go ahead and practice this much. Thank you.